I am inspired daily by the world around me. I'm also a photographer, so I find myself walking around with my iPhone, taking pictures of things that interest me. It could be something as simple as a crack in a sidewalk or the way the light may be hitting a building. I'm constantly taking photos and using them for inspiration later when I come into the studio. It may not be anything that looks anything like the photo that I've taken, but it gives me ideas in my head about colors, and later when I come in and I'm ready to paint, I find that those photographs are very helpful in my work. I don't always have deep meaning to my paintings, but I always find that while I'm painting them, different ideas come from different places, and one of the things that I love the most is when I have someone come into my studio or I meet someone at a show and they may see something in the painting that I never intended to be there, but for them it feels very special, and when they take that painting into their home and it's always connected to me, but it's now connected to them, and that's something that I love very much.
The seed of inspiration for my work really can come from anywhere. A lot of my earlier work was inspired by places I traveled or studied, such as Austria, Turkey, or Greece. But other things, such as music, has a very powerful influence on my work. Memories, experiences, things that I've seen visually that make some sort of impression all become the starting point. But I'm open to the evolution with the work, to allow it to lead me where it may, and to paint organically and intuitively.
My work is known for being bright, bold, and very colorful. I feel like my inspiration comes from the fusion of my two cultures. I'm originally from Mexico, so I feel like I get inspired by my country from the colors, and also by being here in the States, surrounded by a lot of culture, and get inspired by a snapshot, a moment in time in my life, and then I go to the studio, and from the beginning it has been a journey for me to be where I'm at in my career. Feeling confident, it's very important to create art and to feel that people are being receptive with your work. I feel like you have to, as an artist, you have to love what you do to make others feel attracted to your work. It's been a roller coaster. It's been a lot of fun. It's been great. I love what I do, and it's amazing to be able to inspire others. I feel like the value of my struggles is the final composition of my work.
together. It was very exciting to me. It's my first group show, and Edgar and Ryan are both very good friends of mine. We've become closer this last year, and getting together with them has provided me with inspiration, and just having someone to talk to about what you may be going through as an artist and as a person is very helpful. So doing this show is great. They are both very talented, and although we're all abstract artists, I think we are very different. And it's exciting to me to have a group of people come together and see all of our work, and I'm very excited.
Sonia and Edgar have both become very good friends, and we've become kind of an artistic support system for each other. And they've been a real gift for the idea of doing Tres, 3 Points of View. I thought it was only natural. We all have our distinct aesthetic, although we all are similar in style in that we're abstract contemporary painters. So I'm looking forward to seeing how our work interacts with each other and the dialogue it has within the space.
Tres came about as Sonia, Ryan, and myself meeting each other every other week just to support each other. First of all, we're friends, and we're in the same career, and it's a tough career to find good friends where you feel like you can get support from each other. And we decided to collaborate in Tres it's called Tres, 3 Points of View. Basically, we want to put out there what we are. Each one of us has a different aesthetic. It's abstract, but we all have a different point of view. My point of view is, my work is very bold and colorful, and I feel like they represent a different point in their artwork.